I just wanted to run you through a Plumbing PPC campaign that we're currently managing, and I'm going to run you through the whole campaign so you can see how much our client is spending on leads and what they're getting back on their investment. So if we start by clicking on overview and have a look at the whole campaign. We'll look at the dates from the 1st of April to the 30th of April. You can see we have a total spend of £3,000, a conversion rate of 22% and 127 leads. These are all from form fill-outs or phone calls. Those are only conversions the customer wants, so they are the only ones we're tracking. We also have a cost per conversion here of £23.72 per lead. This client is running this campaign for emergency work and landing a very high percentage of the jobs, so this is very profitable for them. So let's now have a look at the ad groups. You can see we have broken these down into emergency heating, emergency plumbing, and also emergency plumber near me. We have also built groups for general plumbing and drainage. All of these groups are targeting around 3 to 4 keywords per group. This way we can closely monitor which keywords are performing the best, and this allows us to optimize the ads better in the future. In the settings, you can see our bidding strategy is set to maximize conversions with a CPA of £30, and we have a budget of £200 a day. So let's have a look at the groups in more detail. You can see our daily cost per click here is high, but the conversion rate is huge, with the emergency plumber near me group converting at 76%. For the keywords, we use a mixture of phrase match and exact match. We find that when we use broad match keywords, they just lead to a lot of irrelevant traffic. So we always use exact and phrase to make the keyword targeting a lot more focused. Our landing page is very simple and to the point. We have a nice call to action at the top, an offer for 25% off, and a bold contact form. On the conversion tracking, you can see a huge percentage of the calls are coming directly from the ads, a few from the landing page, and 10 people have filled out the form. So overall, this is performing well and generating a constant flow of leads for this business. If you're running a plumbing, drainage, or heating business and want us to run a campaign like this for you, click the link in the description and fill out all your details. A member of the team will reach out and we can have the whole campaign built and live by next week. I hope you found this useful. If you like videos like this, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. We'll always reply back to you. See you on the next one.